continuing the same topic. So when Ramlal's wife gives suggestion that we should send Boli to the school because she's ugly, she's not beautiful, she's not pretty, and nobody is going to marry her, so we should send her off to the school. The next day, Ramlal caught Boli by the hand and said, "Come with me, I'll take you to school." क्या इसका इसका हाथ ज़बरदस्ती पकड़ के इसको बोला कि मैं आपको स्कूल लेके जा रहा हूँ. Boli was frightened. She did not know what a school was like. क्योंकि पुराना ज़माना था तो इसको पता ही नहीं थी बेचारी बोली को कि स्कूल क्या चीज़ है. He pulled her by his hand. She remembered how a few days ago their old cow Lakshmi had been turned out of the house and sold. क्या? Now she feared that the way my father is pulling me. तो before some days Lakshmi was the name of a cow. She was sold out. ऐसे ही उसको घर से बाहर निकाला गया था और उसको बेच दिया गया था. No, 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 no. She shouted in terror and pulled her hand away from her father. ग्रुप इससे जोर से चिल्ला के अपना डर के मगर इसने अपना हाथ उससे छुड़वाया. बोला मैं नहीं आ रही हूँ. What's the matter with you, you fool? Shouted Ramlal. I'm only taking you to school, or else what will the teachers and the other school girls think of us when they see her? क्या ये इसको बोल रहा है कि तुम्हें क्या हो गया, मैं तुम्हें स्कूल लेके जा रहा हूँ, तुम अगर स्कूल नहीं गई तो सब लोग क्या बोलेंगे. New clothes had never been made for Boli. The old dresses of her sisters were passed on to her. No one cared to mend or wash her clothes, but today she was lucky to receive a clean dress which had shrunk after many washings and no longer fitted Champa. मतलब बोली को बचपन से ही ऐसे ट्रीट किया गया था that she was a mal-adjusted child. She was not a good child. She was not a beautiful child, a pretty child, a normal child who should receive every luxury और every priority. तो इसको बचपन से ना इसको नए कपड़े कभी लाए गए थे, ना इसके कभी कपड़े धोए जाते थे, ना इसको कभी साफ रखा जाता था. बट अनफॉर्चुनेट टुडे वाज अ लकी डे व्हेन शी गॉट अ क्लीन ड्रेस जो चंपा का था और चंपा को वो पहुंचता नहीं था. She was even bathed and oil was rubbed into her dry and matted hair. क्या बोलते हैं इसको, लेकिन आज नहलाया भी गया और इसके बालों को ऑयल भी लगाया गया था. बोलते हैं इसके बालों पे चिपक गए थे इसके बाल, इतना मेल था. Only then did she begin to take better than her home. क्या अब इसको थोड़ा लगा कुछ नया हो रहा है मेरे साथ. And she felt better than being at home. Okay. When they reached the school, the children were already in their classrooms. Ramlal handed over his daughter to the headmistress. Left alone, the poor girl looked about her with fear-laden eyes. क्या रामलाल जब स्कूल पहुंच गया, अपनी बेटी को वहाँ पे छोड़ दिया, हेडमिस्ट्रेस के हाथों हवाले कर दिया और छोड़ दिया इस लड़की को. She wasn't knowing what is going to happen there. तो इसकी आंखों में डर था और ये सहम गई थी. There were several rooms and each room girls like her squatted on mats, reading from books or writing on slates. बोलते हैं जब भी हर वहाँ पे स्कूल में तो बहुत सारे क्लासरूम्स होते हैं. तो in every classroom children were playing or some were reading, some were writing and some were just writing on their slates. The headmistress asked Boli to sit down in a corner in one of the classrooms. अब हेडमिस्ट्रेस ने इसको एक क्लासरूम में बैठने के लिए बोला, एक कॉर्नर में. Boli did not know what exactly a school was like and what happened there, but she was glad to find so many girls almost of her own age present there. She hoped that one of these girls might become her friend. बोलते हैं Boli was not knowing what is a school like, but surely she became happy while seeing the company of so many girls there. And she was expecting that someone from these girls will become her friend. The lady teacher who was in the class was saying something to the girls, but Boli could understand nothing. अब जब क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई तो टीचर आ गई, पढ़ाने लगी, लेकिन सब लोगों को समझ आया नहीं आया, लेकिन Boli could not understand a bit of it. She looked at the pictures on the wall. वो तस्वीरों को देख रही थी जो वहाँ पे लगी हुई थी दीवारों पे. The colors fascinated her. The horse was brown just like the horse on which the Tahsildar had come to visit there. विलेज। अभी इन शक्लों को देख के इमेजिन नहीं सोच रही है कि तहसीलदार के पास भी घोड़ा ऐसे ही था जैसा यहाँ पे बना के, ऐसे ही द गोट वॉज ब्लैक लाइक द गोट ऑफ दियर नेबर। बोलते हैं ऐसे इसने सोचा जो गोट वहाँ पे बनाई, वहाँ पे ABCD लिखा होता, जो गोट वहाँ पे बना के है वो गोट हमारे नेबर्स की ऐसी ही है। द पैरट वॉज ग्रीन लाइक द पैरट शी हैड सीन इन द मैंगो ऑर्चर्ड। अब इसने वहाँ पे तोता भी देख, तो ये सोच रही थी पैरट भी वैसे ही जैसे इसने मैंगो आम के बागों में बगीचों में देखा हुआ है। एंड द cow was just like their Lakshmi, and suddenly Boli noticed that the teacher was standing by her side, smiling at her. क्या बोलते हैं, तो बोली ये चीज़ें देख रही थी, तो अचानक से इसने क्या देखा, जो उसकी टीचर है, she was in front of her, standing in front of her, and with a very smiling face. What is your name, little one? तो टीचर का अप्रोच, उसने पूछा आपका नाम क्या है? बो 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 she could stammer no further than that. तो हकलाई और इतना ही बोल पाई. Then she began to cry and tears flowed from her eyes in a helpless flood. बोलते हैं इतना रोई जैसे तूफान, जैसे दरिया में सैलाब आया हुआ था. She kept her head down as she sat in her corner, not daring to look up at the girls who she knew were still laughing at her. When she tried to utter her name, so she couldn't utter it properly, so all the class started laughing at her and she started crying like hell as the flood was going on. इतना इसने रोया और इसने अपने हेड को नीचे करके खामोश रही. Well, when the school bell rang, all the girls scurried out of the classroom, but Boli dared not to leave her corner. Her head still lowered, she kept on sobbing. क्या बोलते हैं, जब बेल हो गई, लंच ब्रेक हुई होती, तो हर एक अपनी क्लासेस से बाहर गया, बट बोली वॉज देयर, शी सैट देयर, शी डिडंट वेंट आउट. और व्हाट हैपन, शी वाज स्टिल, उसको वो जब रोते आप थक जाते तब भी आपको वो रोने की आवाज़ आती, सॉब, शी वाज सॉबिंग विद दिस, मतलब रोने से वो उसको अभी भी लग रहा था कि अभी ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा था.